Various operations that can be performed on an array are 1. Traversing, 2. Sorting, 3. Searching, 4. Insertion, 5. Deletion, 6. Merging. 1. Traversing. This operation is used to visit all elements in an array. Algorithm. Traversing array. Steps 1. I equal to lower bound 2. While I less than equal to upper bound do 3. Process bracket a function I. So fourth, I equal to I plus 1. Fifth, end while 6. Stop 2. Sorting. This operation is used to sort array elements in a specified order, that is ascending order or descending order. Algorithm sort array. Algorithm set array. Steps 1. I equal to lower bound 2. While I less than upper bound 3. J equal to I plus 1. Fourth, while j less than upper bound do 5. If bracket a function grade a function I greater than a function j, then 6. Swap a function I a function j. 7. The point end if. 8th point j equal to j plus 1. 9th, end while. 10th, I equal to I plus 1. 11th, stop. 3rd, searching. This operation is used to search an element of insert in an array. Algorithm search array. Steps 1. I equal to lower bound L. Found equal to 0. Location equal to 0. 2. While I less than equal to upper bound U and found if equal to 0. Do 3. If we compare a function g key equal to true, then 4th point found equal to 1. 5th point location equal to I. 6th point else. 7th point I equal to I plus 1. 8th, end if. 9th, end while. 10th, if found equal to 0 less than. 11th, print search is unsuccessful. Is it key is not in the array. 12. Else. 13. Print search is successfully. Is it key in the array at location? Is it location? 14. End if. 15. Stop. 4th point insertion. This is operation is used to insert an element into an array provided that the array is not null. Algorithm insert array. Steps 1. If a function size equal to null, then to print array is full, no insertion possible. 3rd, exit. 4th, else. 5th, I equal to u. 6th, while I less than I greater than equal to location do. 7th, a function I plus 1 equal to a I. 8th, I equal to I minus 1. 9th, end while. 10th, a function location equal to key. 11th, end if. 12th, stop. 5. Deletion. This operation is used to delete a particular element from an array. The element will be deleted overwriting it with it is a substitute 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 element, and this substitute element then is also to be deleted. Algorithm delete array steps 1. I equal to search array a key. Second, if I equal to 0, then third, print key is not found, no is true, no deletion. Fourth, exit 5 else. Sixth, while I less than you do. Seventh, a function I equal to a function I plus 1. Eighth, I equal to I plus 1. Ninth, end while. Tenth, end if. 11th, a function u equal to null. 12, u equal to u minus 1. 13, stop. 6th, merging. This operations is used to combined to different arrays into a single array. Algorithm merge. Steps 1, I1 equal to L1, I2 equal to L2. 2, L equal to L1, U equal to U1 plus U2 minus L2 plus 1. Third point, I equal to 4 L. Fourth point, allocate memory size of U minus L plus 1. Fifth point, while I1 less than equal to U1 do. Sixth point, a function A1 function I1. Seventh point, I equal to I plus 1, I1 equal to I1 plus 1. Eighth point, end while. Ninth point, while I2 less than equal to U2 do. 10th, a function I equal to A2 function I2. 11th point, I equal to I plus 1, I2 equal to I2 plus 1. 12th point, end while. 13th point, stop. And two-dimensional arrays. 2D arrays are collection of homogeneous elements where the elements are ordered in a number of rows and columns. A 2D array is also called as a matrix. Example, into a function 3 is it memory representation of 2D array. There are two methods to store 2D are in a memory. They are two types. One, raw measure representation. 2, column measure representation. 1, raw measure representation. Raw measure order is methods of representing multi-dimension array in sequential memory. In this method, elements of an array are arranged